Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 5.1 from chapter number 5. Name of this chapter is, you can see on your screen, equations, inequalities and graphs. The topic of exercise 5.1 was solving equations of the type of absolute value equation or absolute value equality. We did all questions of exercise 5.1 and all parts. Today we are going to start exercise 5.2. You can see on your screen the topic of this exercise is solving modulus inequalities. So exercise 5.1 was modulus equality and this exercise is modulus inequality. So inequality means if we have algebraic expression which have this sign which is called greater than, or this sign which is called greater than and equals to, or this sign less than, or this sign less than and equals to. So if we have any one of this sign of inequality, we call the absolute value inequality or modulus inequality. This is the sign of absolute value and this is the sign of inequality. So if the algebraic expression which have absolute sign along with inequality is called absolute value inequality. How to solve absolute value inequality? We have two methods. One is algebraic method and one is graphically. We will do both method but according to question. So I am going to start exercise directly. Question number 1. Let's see what is required in this question. The graph of y is equals to x minus 2 absolute or modulus, you can say modulus x minus 2 and y is equals to modulus 2x minus 10 are shown on the grid. So the blue one is x minus 2 modulus graph and the yellow one is the absolute value graph of 2x minus 10. Write down the set of values of x that satisfies the inequality x minus 2 x minus 2 greater than 2x minus 10. So we have to write the set of values. See carefully. There are 2 points of intersection of this graph. One is at x is equals to 4 and one is x is equals to 8. These are called critical values. Now look at carefully. You need to write the set of values which is x minus 2 greater than 2x minus 10. So see where the graph, or you can say find the part of graph which is above 2x minus 10. So one is this part and one is this part. From this point to this point, I am showing with red line. This is the line where the graph is above the graph of 2x minus 10, or you can say this line is the above the yellow line, because if you consider, I will take blue color, if you consider this line is above and this line is below, and if you consider this line is also above. So only this part, that is the red one, is the part where x minus 2 modulus is greater than 2x minus 10. So the answer is x from 4 to 8. Sorry. X is greater than 4 and x is less than 8. So this is the final answer. So how to write the set of values of x with the help of the absolute value graph? See the portion of the graph where the required inequality is greater than the other inequality. Now I can give you, first of all, this is our final answer. No need to do more work, but I am showing you algebraically that 4 is less than x and x is less than 8 is our answer, our final answer. So look at this. X minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 10. First, by algebraic method, you have to write you have to put equal sign instead of inequality. So x minus 2 is greater than 2x minus 10, but in algebraic method you have to put equal sign. Now x minus 2, whenever you drop the absolute value sign, you have to take first value is positive, and then x minus 2 you have to take negative. So first time 2x minus 10 and second time minus 2x minus 10. Simplify it. Minus 2 plus 10 is equals to 2x minus x is x. X is equals to 8, and x minus 2 is equals to minus 2x minus 10. Then minus 2x plus x is 3x. Sorry, minus plus, and minus 2 shift over there, 10 plus 2 is 12, 3 4s are 12. So x is equals to 4. So you can see from graph the critical values are 4 and 8, and from algebra critical values are also 4 and 8. Now we have to write set of values. Just draw a line, write 4 the first critical value, write 8 the second critical value, and split this line into 3 regions. One is left side of 4, one is right side of 8, and one is middle of 4 and 8. Now take any value first from the left hand side of 4. That is, if I take x is equals to 3. What is our absolute value? X minus 2 greater than 2x minus 10. Put x is equals to 3, 3 minus 2, and 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 10. 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 10 is minus 4 becomes plus 4 because of absolute value sign. 1 cannot be greater than 4. So all values which are left hand side of 4 are excluded. It means not included. Now take right hand side of 8, any value which is right hand side of 8. So I am taking for example 10. So our absolute inequality is given x minus 2, this time is 10 minus 2 greater than 2 tens are 20, 20 minus 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, 20 minus 10 is 10. And you know this is again excluded because 8 cannot be greater than 10. The third region, which is between 4 and 8, so we can take x is equals to 5. Our absolute value inequality is x minus 2, that is 5 minus 2. 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 10. 5 minus 2 is 3, 10 minus 10 is 0, and yes, 3 greater than 0. Therefore, all answer which are from 4 to 8 is our set of values. So it is also proved with the help of algebra that our answer is 100% correct. And from the graph we have to focus where the greater one region is above the other absolute value. That is, we need x minus 2 greater than 2x minus 10. The blue line is x minus 2 graph, the yellow line is 2x minus 10 graph, and the portion, the red portion, is the portion where the part of the graph is above the yellow one. Otherwise, the part of the graph is below the blue line. Sorry, above the blue line. So only red one is our required region, and I proved this with the help of algebra as well. So hope you completely understand question number 1. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2, on the same axis, sketch the graphs of y equals to 3x minus 6 and y is equals to 4 minus x. So we have lot of questions. We have done lot of questions in chapter number 1, exercise 1.5. How to draw the graph of inequalities. How to draw the graph of absolute valued function. Exercise 1.5 is related to this topic. So those students who are not done exercise 1.5, go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is Add Math. You can watch exercise 1.5 over there. All questions are uploaded. But I will give you a small introduction that how to draw the graph of absolute valued function. Y is equals to 3x minus 6. So first consider this is the straight line, 3x minus 6. If you compare this line by the equation, general equation of a straight line, that is y is equals to mx plus c. So m is equals to 3. and y-intercept C is equals to minus 6. Okay. The second one is y is equals to 4 minus x. Consider this is an equation. Here the slope or gradient is minus 1 and y-intercept is 4. The second, this is the first point. You know the graph of absolute valued function is always a V-shaped graph. So first we have to find the slope, then we have to find the y-intercept. Now draw the straight lines, simple straight lines. In order to draw the lines, we have to draw x and y axis. First draw x axis. Then draw y axis. Now draw both straight lines one by one. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is the origin. First equation is y is equal excuse me, y is equal to 3x minus 6. So gradient is 3. So gradient is 3 means, what is the formula of gradient? Rise upon run. So rise upon run is given 3. You can write 3 upon 1. So 3 up and 1 right. What is the y-intercept? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. So first make minus 6 is your reference point and goes rise upon run. So 1, 2, 3, 1. This is the first point. Then 1, 2, 3. Then second. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1. 1, 2, 3. Then 1. Join these points to get the straight line. This is our first straight line. Now the second line is y is equals to 4 minus x. Here the y-intercept is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is y-intercept. And our slope or gradient is minus 1. So rise upon run is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 upon 1. So from 4 the bottom is 1, then 1 point, then 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 1, then 1 point. This is our second equation. Join this equation. This is our second line. But we have to draw the graph of absolute valued function. The second important point is to find the vertex of both the graph. How to find the vertex? Very easy. Our line is y is equals to 3x minus 6. So put y is equals to 0, 3x minus 6, you will get x is equals to 6 upon 3, that is 2. So vertex is 2, 0. Vertex is 2, 0. So this is the vertex of the graph, that is 2, 0. The second line is y is equals to 4 minus x. But before we find the vertex, we first draw the graph. Now see carefully. This is the vertex and we have to draw the graph, means V-shaped. So this is 2 point on left hand side, this is your, okay, I am drawing again. There is actually something is messed up, so kindly wait please. I am drawing the graph again in order to complete understanding. Sorry for this. I will draw a big graph. In order to fully understand. X-axis, y-axis, okay, x, y. This time I am taking 2 square is equals to 1. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So this is minus 6. This is y-intercept. And our gradient is what? 3. So rise upon run. This is our reference point. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1. This is first, then 1, 2, 3, then 1. This is second, then 1, 2, 3 and 1. This is 4. Now this is good graph. Graph is always big, must be big in order to understand fully. Join all these 4 points. This is our straight line. And what is our vertex? 2, 0. This is our vertex. 2, 0. Draw the mirror line. What does it mean? Kindly wait. A mirror line is a perpendicular line which should passes through the vertex. This is our mirror line. Now reflect all the points. Like this is 1, 2, 3 square apart. 1, 2, 3 square apart. 1, 2, 3. This is first point. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1. Now join these 3 points. With the vertex. Here we go. This is the graph of absolute valued function, which is y is equals to 3x minus 6. The black one is the graph of y is equals to 3x minus 6 absolute value. The second one, this time I will use another color. The second one is y is equals to 4 minus x. Y intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our reference point, the intercept, and our gradient is minus 1 upon 1. So 1, 1. This is first, then 1, 1. Second, 1, 1. Third, then 1, 1. Then 1, 1. Join these points. Join these points. What was our vertex? Our vertex is v is equals to, put y is equals to 0, 4 minus x, then x is equals to 4. So our vertex is 4 comma 0. This is our vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our vertex. 4 comma 0. Draw a mirror line which passes through vertex 4, 0. Because our graph is a V-shaped function, so now we have to see first point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our first point. The second is 1, 2, 3. then 1 2 3. This is our second point. This is 1 2, this is 1 2, this is 1, and this is 1. Draw the graph, draw the line which join all these points. So student, this is our graphs. Now finally, what was the requirement? This is part A, and part B is solve the inequality 3x minus 6, 4 minus x. 3x minus 6 greater than equals to 4 minus x. So the blue one is the graph of 3x minus 6. The black one, sorry, and the blue one is the graph of 4 minus x. Now check where the black line is above, in which parts or part where the black line is above the blue line. Look at this carefully. This is 1, x1, x2, x3, x4. Look carefully. This part, which is red one, I am drawing this red one. This part at x is equals to 1. This part is, if you move this part, this is above the blue line. This part, this red part, if you extend, this part is above the blue line. And all values which are less than or equal to 1, or look this. This is 1, this is 2. Look this point. At this point, if we draw the line and extend, from this point the line is above the blue line. And what is the value of this point? The value of this point is 2.5 or 5 upon 2. So x is greater than 5 upon 2. This is our answer. So kindly draw this graph by yourself and watch this video again and again and again in order to completely understand. And if we do algebraic method, you will see that our answer is x less than equals to 1 or x is greater than equals to 5.2. You can check. So student, this is question number 2. Hope you completely understand. Move to question number 3. Question number 3. Solve. Solve means to find the set of values, because these are the absolute value inequality. So there is no method mentioned that whether we solve by graphical, method or we solve by algebraic method. So I prefer algebraic method. The rules are for these kind of absolute value inequality, or you can say this rule is applicable when we have only one absolute value inequality. Number one, when the inequality is of the form x greater than b, where b is any number, or x absolute value x is less than equals to b, then the solution is x is from minus b to b, or x is greater than equals to minus b to less than equals to b. Next rule. Next rule is when the inequality is of the form is x greater than b or x greater than equals to b, then the solution is x less than minus b or x greater than b, and x is less than equals to minus b. If we have equal to sign, then x is greater than equals to b. So these two rules will help you a lot in order to do questions, that kind of questions which have only one inequality sign. Okay, now I am pasting question number 1 again, sorry, question number 3. Start. Part A. 2x minus 3 greater than 5. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 5. 2x minus 3 is equals to minus 5. Whenever you drop absolute value sign, you must take plus and minus value on other side. So plus minus 5, one time is plus 5 and one time is minus 5. Simplify it. 2x is equals to 5 plus 3, 8, and x is equals to 4. 2x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to minus 1. Now this is the greater sign, so we have to apply the second rule which I mentioned above. So our answer is x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 4. That's it. That's why I said that these rules are help you a lot. Second part. Part B, 4 minus 5x less than equals to 9. So 4 minus 5x is equals to 9 and 4 minus 5x is equals to minus 9. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5 is equals to 5x and x is equals to minus 1, and 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 is equals to 5x. X is equals to 13 upon 5. And In the question there is less than or equal to sign, so we have to apply rule number 1, which I mentioned above. So the answer is x greater than equals to -1 less than equals to 13 upon 5. This is our final answer. Move to part C. Part C is 8 minus 3x less than 2. So 8 minus 3x is equals to 2. 8 minus 3x is equals to -2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is equals to 3x. X is equals to 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is equals to 3x. X is equals to 10 upon 3. And because the less than sign is present, so our answer should be x is greater than 2 less than 10 upon 3. This is our answer. So hope you understand this question. Move to next part. Part D. Part D is 2x minus 7 greater than 3. 2x minus 7 is equals to 3. 2x minus 7 is equals to -3. 2x is equals to 10. X is equals to 5. 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 2. And because greater than sign is present, so our answer is x less than 2 or x is greater than 5. This is our final answer. Move to part E. Part A is 3x plus 1 greater than 8. 3x plus 1 is 8. 3x plus 1 is equals to -8. 3x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7 upon 3. 3x is equals to -9. X is equals to -3. And because greater than sign is given, so our answer must be x is less than -3 or x is greater than 7 upon 3. This is our final answer of part E. Move to part F. Five minus 2x is less than equals to 7. So 5 minus 2x is equals to 7. 5 minus 2x is equals to -7. So 5 minus 7 is -2 is equals to 2x. X is equals to -1. 5 plus 7 is 12 is equals to 2x. X is equals to 6. And because less than equals to sign is given, so our answer should be x greater than -1 and less than equals to 6. This is our final answer. So hope you completely understand question number 3, all parts. Now move to question number 4. Solve. So same strategy will use because we have only one absolute value sign. So part A is 2x minus 3 less than equals to x minus 1. So 1 is 2x minus 3 is equals to x minus 1, and 1 is 2x minus 3 is equals to minus x minus 1. So we have to apply minus sign. So 2x minus x is x, minus 3 plus 1 is 2. So first value is 2. 2x minus 3 is minus x plus 1. 3x is equals to 4, x is equals to 4 upon 3. And because less than sign is present, therefore our answer is x is greater than equals to 4 upon 3 less than equals to 2. This is our final answer. Move to part B. So you can see how easy these questions are. If your concept is clear, then question becomes very easy. So 5 plus x is equals to 1 time plus 5 plus x is equals to 1 time, the whole thing is minus. So x plus 2x is 3x, 7 minus 5 is 2, x is equals to 2 upon 3. And 5 plus x is equals to minus 7 plus 2x, then x is equals to 12. X move over there. Kindly wait, I am checking the answer. There is doubt. Kindly wait. I am taking out answers. So we have two answers, but in this part we have to check both the answers. How to check? Just put both values in the question. So 5 plus x is 5 plus 2 upon 3 greater than 7 minus 2 into x is 2 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 upon 3. 7 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 upon 3. So 17 upon 3, 3 7s are 21, 21 minus 4 is 17 upon 3. Kindly wait. And the second is, if you put 12, so 5 plus 12 is greater than 7 minus 2 12s are 24. 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 is greater than 24 minus 7, sorry, is minus 17. So both values are correct, and because greater than sign is present, so we have to write x is less than 2 upon 3, or x is greater than 12. This is our answer. Move to next part, part C. So sometime it is necessary to check the answer in the book if we have doubt. C part. X minus 2 minus 3x less than equals to 1. First you have to write x minus 2 less than equals to 1 plus 3x. So x minus 2 is equals to 1 plus 3x, and x minus 2 is equals to minus 1 minus 3x. So minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 3x minus x is 2x, minus 3 is equals to 2x, and x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. From here x minus 2 is equals to minus 1 plus 3x, and minus 1 is equals to 3x minus x is 2x. X is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So there are two critical values. One is minus 1 upon 2 and the other is minus 3 upon 2. So if you can see, if the value is okay, I am checking again. Kindly wait. X minus 2 1 plus 3x minus 3 upon 2, and x minus 2 minus 1 plus 3x. 3x minus x is 2x. Answer in the book is x is greater than equals to 1 upon 4. I don't know why, but I'm checking again and again and again. 1 plus 3x, x minus 2 is equals to 1 plus 3x minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 3x 2x minus 3 upon 2 minus 1 minus minus plus 3. So my answer is x is from minus 1 upon 2 to minus 3 upon 2. This is my final answer. But after today's lecture, I will check part B and part C again. If there are any mistake, I will definitely clear in next lecture. So students, this is our today's class where we finished first 4 questions of exercise 5.2, and in next lecture I will try to finish all remaining questions. So I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.